Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset a Sceptre monitor to its default settings. First, we will reset the monitor using the on-screen menu. Start by turning on your Sceptre monitor. Locate the menu button on the monitor. On most Sceptre monitors, this button is on the bottom right side of the frame or on the back right edge. Press the menu button once to open the monitor menu. You should now see the menu options on the screen. Use the arrow buttons, or sometimes the volume plus and minus buttons, to move through the menu. Look for a section called Settings, Setup, or System. The name may be slightly different depending on the model. Once you find that section, scroll until you see an option called Reset, Factory Reset, or Reset to Default. Select this option using the Menu or Select button. The monitor will ask you to confirm the reset. Choose Yes or Confirm. After you confirm, the monitor will reset the brightness, contrast, color settings, and other display options back to the original factory values. If you cannot access the menu, you can try a hard reset using the monitor buttons. Make sure the monitor is turned on. Press and hold the menu button for about 10 to 15 seconds. On many Sceptre models, this will trigger a direct reset to the default settings. Thanks for watching.